Hello and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So how do you make a woman in Infinity Craft? So let's just go ahead, and this is going to be really quick, so just bear with me guys on this one, okay? So dust and earth plus the wind here plus fire, water. Put it on top here to create Venus. Let's put the Venus aside. Water, fire here, earth, Venus on top of this, and put Adam and Venus. Let's put fog here, and then love to the man here and woman. And here you go. So I hope this video has been any help for you guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Tricks Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.